Okay, so this is my little quick walkthrough of my Rails application for Flatiron Phase 4. So we got something really simple. It's only, well, like I have 3 models, but I'm only using 2. I ended up not having enough time, but here we go. So I have auth set up so that I can log in. I have a user called Alberto, password, uh, click login, and I'm immediately received by this component, this page, um, with pretty much every single post that this application has, including a post generated by someone else. This was posted by Max, for example. That's the user Max. This was posted by Alberto. So okay, so let's show the CRUD, right? Create post. Let's just pick something else. You'll notice this is in Spanish just because, I don't know, those are the names that I used before. Do new edit. This is most recent post. I'll submit. You notice that it's right on top. That's the most recent. So if I want to delete, for example, oh, and you can notice here that it was created by Alberto too, the current user in, oh, I gotta fix that. The current user in session. If I want to delete post, I can delete if I am the user currently logged in. If I want to delete, for example, Max's, I can't. I'm not authorized to do that. That's all set up in the back end. As well as if I want to update, it doesn't really update it. Notice I'm gonna write whatever here, update post, and it's still the original post. But if I want to edit this one, for example, click update, and the backend updates the post for me, and I'm able to display it there. Well, you'll notice tag comments here. This is for later on, but yeah, I didn't work on comments, so we're only working with edit with with the post and the user as the two models. I can log out. Okay, I logged out. Can create a new user by signing up. Okay, let's say Tyler. Password. Sign up. I'm now logged in as Tyler. Yep, that must be an asynchronous issue there that sometimes it says not signed in, but definitely signed in. And now Tyler cannot delete the posts for Alberto and Max, but he can see them. If Tyler wants to create a post, comes here, post, submit. Now Tyler's post is right here. See also that I passed the created at and did some formatting of the time so that you can see the time. Okay, well, you notice that it doesn't match my computer's time. That's because I think this is a different time zone. And basically, that is how my application is working. We got the backend here really quickly. A little run through. Um, I have route to post comments. Well, this one's not going to be used, so I don't need it. But I got a post to me for sessions that actually goes to users, and I got the sessions actions: create, destroy, creating a user, deleting a user, or like logging out. Um, and yeah, so got the controllers right right here. This fallback was to deploy. I wasn't able to deploy, unfortunately, or just not yet. But um, I have some private methods to check for um, authorization. For example, to see what params I want to bring back from the post that is found. I don't want to bring back all the columns, just these params. Um, and then the find post method, so I can use it here instead of writing these lines over here. So yeah, I got pretty much all the crawl for the posts. These are my actions for my user. You'll notice that I'm rendering the JSON. If the user is in session, then bring back the user. Otherwise, give me this error with a status of unauthorized. And yep, and create also validates before it creates. It validates if the user is valid. If it is, then it creates it and saves it into the database, and it gives the session cookie the user ID, so that it keeps that in record as the user that it's um, in session right now, and um, it returns the user just like that. So yeah, that's my little application. Very simple, and yeah, thank you for going through that little walkthrough.